Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove your SIM pin from your SIM card into a MOTOROLA Moto G71. First of all, open your settings and find security option, this one. Go into and then scroll down, and on the bottom we got SIM card lock, where if you have two SIM cards, you got these two cards here in this block. So I've got only one card, go into, and now from unblocking your SIM card, click here to switcher to remove SIM pin. Enter your pin and click OK. And that's it. Now we remove our SIM pin from SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.